Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing industries by increasing efficiency, automating processes, and creating new opportunities. As AI adoption continues to rise, the demand for skilled professionals to design, develop, and manage AI systems is more pressing than ever. Organizations must focus on talent development to fully harness AI's potential and drive long-term success. AI is reshaping various industries, prompting businesses and governments to invest heavily in AI-driven innovations. Impact on various sectors. AI is making significant strides in healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. Companies across these sectors are allocating resources to AI-driven solutions, sustaining a high demand for skilled AI professionals. For example, AI enhances diagnostic accuracy in healthcare, optimizes risk assessment in finance, personalizes learning experiences in education, and improves content recommendations in entertainment. Government support. The Canadian government is actively investing in AI innovation, boosting job creation and project funding. There is growing interest in AI applications such as autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and advanced healthcare solutions. Government initiatives aim to strengthen Canada's position as a leader in AI research and development. Economic growth. AI and automation are significant contributors to the Canadian economy. By increasing productivity and enabling new business models, AI technologies are fueling economic expansion and generating employment opportunities in diverse fields. To succeed in AI-related careers, individuals must acquire a combination of technical and domain-specific skills. Technical proficiency in programming languages like Python and R is fundamental. Additionally, expertise in machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch is essential for building and deploying AI models. A strong foundation in linear algebra, calculus, and statistics is also necessary for developing robust AI algorithms. Data handling expertise. AI professionals need skills in managing structured and unstructured data. Knowledge of SQL and NoSQL databases is crucial for handling large datasets and optimizing AI model performance. Specialized knowledge. Industry-specific expertise can enhance career prospects. For instance, understanding clinical data management is valuable in healthcare, experience with autonomous systems is critical in the automotive sector, and knowledge of algorithmic trading is advantageous in finance. High-demand subfield specialization in fields such as natural language processing, NLP, robotics, and computer vision can lead to lucrative opportunities. These subfields are driving advancements in AI applications, from automated assistants to self-driving cars and intelligent surveillance systems. Beyond technical expertise, AI professionals must cultivate complementary skills to remain competitive in the evolving job market. AI ethics awareness. Understanding ethical concerns, including AI bias, data privacy, and algorithmic transparency, is increasingly vital. Companies prioritize responsible AI development to mitigate risks and build trust among users and stakeholders. Commitment to continuous learning. AI is a rapidly evolving field, requiring professionals to stay updated with emerging trends. Engaging in lifelong learning through online courses, certifications, and research papers can enhance career growth and adaptability. Adaptability and creativity. Success in AI careers requires a blend of technical skills, problem-solving abilities, and creative thinking. Professionals must adapt to technological advancements and develop innovative solutions to complex challenges. Networking and community engagement. Building connections within the AI and tech community can open doors to new opportunities. Attending industry conferences, participating in local meetups, and joining professional organizations can provide valuable insights and mentorship. The growing demand for AI talent underscores the importance of acquiring essential technical and complementary skills. As AI continues to transform industries, professionals who invest in continuous learning, ethical awareness, and community engagement will be well positioned for success. Governments and organizations must also prioritize talent development to drive innovation and sustain economic growth in the AI era. Thank you for exploring the growing demand for AI talent and skills in an evolving industry with us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.